Here's another demo of my radio control mod that I've been working on for a pretty long time. The first iteration I had this right here. Had 5 individual wires. Is it five? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I'm sorry, 6 individual wires coming out. So every one of these buttons went to ground when pressed. Well, there's a certain pin on the back of each button that went to ground, except for this one. When you press it, it goes to 12 volt positive, and when you turn it off, it goes to ground. So I had, 6 wires coming out. I wanted to find an easier way. I knew there was an easier way, I just didn't know how to do it, and I thought it was like some communication device like I2C, UART, SPI, something like that. But I was just messing around with it, and I figured out that there's a remote wire that changes its resistance values when referenced to ground anytime you press one of these buttons. So what you can do is create a voltage divider circuit to measure the voltage across the remote wire and the ground. This is the, I guess the, what is it, the load resistor, that variable load resistor. All right, so let me demonstrate real quick. At around idle, nothing pressed, I get around 10k ohms, right? So when I press the mode, I get around 2.5k. Press the channel, I get around 1k. Press volume up, I get right around 400 ohms. And volume down, I get around 100 ohms. The values are pretty spotty, so that's why I am gonna create a little range. Like right here, I'm still gonna adjust the values. I've been messing around with it, trying to figure out what would be best for the situation, and hopefully this is good enough. I'll test it again. We'll see. And this is all you need. Like, all you need is one remote wire and one ground wire. And the ground wire you could connect anywhere, literally anywhere. The chassis ground, I don't know, just some ground, the body, screw a hole on your fender, who knows, whatever you want to do. Oh, and this remote wire could just be grabbed from behind the radio harness, and I think it's like some blue and white or blue and purple wire, blue red, whatever it was, I don't remember, it's been a while. But I was thinking of using this ESP32 to measure the voltage coming out using the ADC converter and display whatever I need to on this OLED screen. Like the functions, each function type, what page I'm on. So I was thinking about, like, let's say I want to change pages to allow more functions. I could just press this. This is just an idea. Press this to edit, it lights up. I could change the pages, whatever page I want. Press one of these buttons, I don't know, to reset the whole thing if there's a problem. And then push this down again to lock it into place, like to activate it. And it would be, let's say I went to page 2. I want to use this as opening the garage, opening the trunk. Volume up is unlock the doors. Volume down is lock the doors. And any other thing you want. Like, I can add as much features as I want with this. And hopefully everything's gonna work out.